What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is Modi Makes, and today I'm gonna be working on something a little bit different and kind of hard to explain. So I'm gonna be working on a woodblock painting like I have many times in the past, except for this time, instead of me painting directly onto the wood with Posca pens or spray painting the background and then painting on top of that, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do some WheatPaste poster work like you might have noticed from the intro. Now, WheatPaste poster stuff is something you'll see a lot in street art and graffiti. It's a quick and easy way to get up a large piece onto a wall, and it's really hard to remove. To bring that street art aesthetic into the studio, I wanted it to look and feel kind of like if you just removed a section of a wall from, you know, a street art piece. So I'm wanting the newsprint to have a lot of wrinkles in it and be really rough, have the background be kind of like quickly painted and messy, show a lot of the sketch lines and, you know, just have a lot of imperfections that I think will give it that gritty feel of being on the wall in a street. And then on top of that background that I'm going to paint onto the newsprint, I'm going to paste another wood block and then paint one of my funky, weird, kind of creepy characters on top of that wood block to give it a multi-layered look, as it would if, you know, people have been coming by and just pasting pieces on top of each other onto the wall. I think it's going to be a really interesting piece. I'm super excited for it, and if it's executed well, I think this is going to look fantastic. So let's get into it. Damn, this boy is heavy. Whoever buys this from me better be really good at finding studs in their walls, or else they're gonna have to do some drywall. I've done a lot of woodblock stuff before, but it's usually not this big and usually not like solid all the way through construction grade wood. Before we get into those final shots, let me just say, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. It means a ton to me. If you want to help support me and support the channel, help me grow, then go ahead and subscribe. That is the best thing you can do. And outside of that, if you liked the video, then go ahead and give it a like, and throw down in the comments below what you thought about the piece, and if you have any ideas for things that you want me to try out in the future, or if you have any questions about any processes that I go through in this video or in any other video that you want me to elaborate a little bit more on, then go ahead and throw that down in the comments as well. Outside of that, I guess we're good to go. So without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?
Back too. Okay, so
Well, we're gonna have to move it back out then, because this is gonna be the last part.
I totally get that, but you're not gonna be able to cut with it going like this.
Okay.
We're gonna need to keep moving it out.
Okay.
So at some point, just naturally stop.